slumped in a wheelchair with only a hospital blanket in the snow. This is outside Vancouver General Hospital. A local resident says this person was dumped after being discharged.
So this is yesterday morning. So this person here was escorted by this security personnel and this nurse and simply brought to the bench and left in the cold.
And this was just yesterday?
Yeah.
Caudron says the practice has been happening for years. Patients who he believes have nowhere to live are left on a bench.
My partner and I, on occasion, we've come down and we brought tea. I remember helping somebody was literally out of their wheelchair and then trying to crawl back to the hospital.
He says the patients are often wearing only a hospital gown and shouting at the people escorting them.
I hear a lot of insults, unfortunately, people that are in crisis mode.
The bench is technically not on hospital grounds. Caudron says he's called the city and police non-emergency, but nothing has been done.
How many people do you think you've seen?
Oh, dozens. Yeah, it's in the dozens. It breaks my heart because it'd be easy to just point finger at people, right? But it speaks really poorly about what we are as a city.
Dropping people at a bench or a bus stop shouldn't be acceptable in British Columbia or anywhere.
The Shadow Health Minister calls the allegation upsetting.
That if there are issues like this occurring not just in the Lower Mainland but elsewhere, they need to be dealt with.
We reached out to the Ministry of Health for comment. They directed questions to the local authority, Vancouver Coastal Health. In a statement, VCH acknowledges that in some instances where a patient is disruptive and a full discharge plan is not possible, they may be escorted off the premises, going on to say that a discharge plan should include compassionate patient supports, and VCH regrets that there were missteps in this process which do not reflect VCH values or standards of care. Coastal Health says it's reached out to this person to offer additional supports, and the discharge process is being reviewed. Alyssa Thibault, Global News.